You sneeze? Is she sneezing?
Oh. We all have our sunglasses on. Now Eva doesn't have hers on. Right?
Daddy got sunglasses.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you run fast.
Fast! Even fast.
Yeah.
Yes. She's like, it feels so good to be boing.
I fell down.
You fell down. Yes, you did.
See? Oh, it's a moose.
It's some mud.
It's just my moose.
You jump in the puddle.